In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix AirPods not connecting to MacBook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when your AirPods refuse to connect to your MacBook, displaying errors like connection failed or getting stuck on a spinning loading wheel, the issue is typically a stalled Mac OS core Bluetooth service thread, a desynced Bluetooth list configuration file, or an iCloud device sync delay. And you can force a hard connection handshake and restore your audio very quickly. So what we want to do firstly is go ahead and press Command and Space, which is going to show up the Spotlight search. Then type in terminal, like so. And then what we want to do is open up terminal, and it's going to look like this. Now all you want to do is type in the following: sudo space and then pkill, and then we want to do Bluetooth HD or Bluetooth D, sorry. And then all you want to do is press enter, like so. It's going to ask you for your MacBook password, but just note that the terminal won't show your password. So yeah, just go ahead and do that. And then all you got to do once you do that, it's going to look like this. Just close your terminal layout, and your menu bar Bluetooth icon will briefly just gray out and instantly restart with a completely clean connection matrix. And then all you got to do is try and connect to your AirPods again. Obviously, just make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and then your AirPods should connect, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.